Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best birdhouses with cameras you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many birdhouses with cameras and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each birdhouses with cameras, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a birdhouse with a camera. First, focus on camera quality because clear resolution and night vision help you watch birds closely without disturbing them. Next, check for weather resistance and durable materials to ensure the house lasts through different seasons. Also, consider the ease of installation and whether the camera connects easily to your smartphone or Wi-Fi. Sound recording is another great feature if you want to hear bird sounds. Make sure the birdhouse is safe and comfortable for birds with proper ventilation and drainage holes. Lastly, think about power options, whether it runs on batteries or through a wired connection. These points will help you choose the best birdhouse with a camera for both observation and bird safety. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.